A lightning strike in a small indigenous village in northern Colombia has killed at least 11 people. During an early morning community ritual, the incident, which occurred in Colombia's Sierra Nevada mountains, left over a dozen other people seriously injured. The region is home to several indigenous communities. An indigenous administrative official said the area has had small tragedies from flashes of lightning in the past, but nothing of this magnitude. The injured who suffered burns were evacuated by military helicopter to the city of Santa Marta. The government's emergency management unit said it would be sending a team to the site.